What's up, guys? This is Michael, and welcome to Naked Crypto. And today is October 14, 2021, and we are on greed. CoinGecko today, I see Bitcoin 4.4% up, Ethereum 9.2% up, and we do have Binance, Cardano, and XRP is 4.4% up, Solana is 6.2% up, Polkadot is 17, Doge is 6% up today, and Shiba just doing sideways today. Guys, look at that. Shiba on the 12th place, while Dogecoin is on the 10th place. But if you can see, the market cap of Doge is 31,000, while Shiba is 14,000, so almost half. So let's see, guys. Later on, I'll show you the chart. But before that, I'll discuss first the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some other stuff. So stay tuned. And our crypto bubbles looks great, guys. We have SDX, PRP, Waves, One, Telcoin, Dot, Clay is doing good, Axie Infinity, and where's Shiba? Shiba's not here. So Doge is here. Shiba, Shiba's here, the small one. Anyway, the crypto bubbles right now, it's doing great. And guys, before we go to the chart, if you can like and share my videos, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm so that other people can watch the video. Okay, Bitcoin, we are still on this megaphone pattern, and we counted this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the ABC correction. We are still on the wave 1, and we're still looking for the wave 2. And I was expecting somewhere here at 49,000 before we go to the moon. And but overall, we still have 3 waves to the upside, so don't worry about it. And Ethereum on the daily chart, I see this. I think we have this ABC correction already, and we have the first wave, and we had the second wave already. So we are now looking for the third wave, and our target would be 4,335, which is the all-time high somewhere there. And on crypto index, we discussed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have the ABC correction, and we had a first wave. I'm not sure if this is already the second wave, so we might see already price somewhere here at let's see, some all-time high. Anyway, guys, this is just a presumption. We still have three waves to the upside, but we might still go here at 28,000. We might still see somewhere here on this level here. But let's see, guys. Crypto total market cap, cap and handle, and we already broke on this flag formation here, and we are expecting to go up similar to total 2, which is excluding Bitcoin and cap and handle, and we already break on this flag formation here. So we are expecting the price will go up, and this is the total 3 excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and similar cap and handle. We already broke on this flag formation here. We are expecting the price to go up. Bitcoin dominance, inverted cap and handle. We talked about this last time. We have last Tuesday, we see the altcoin was hurt because of this Bitcoin dominance. It popped up here, but now we're seeing Bitcoin dominance starting to go down. So Bitcoin dominance, what it does is if Bitcoin dominance drop, the altcoins will go up. And Dogecoin, we have this beautiful bullish flag on Dogecoin. We already bounced back already at 0.618, and our target would be, first target would be 26 cents. And next target's 28 cents. And on the daily chart, I'm expecting we are now on the third wave. Let's see, 44 cents for Doge. So that's actually looks like it might form a cap and handles. Let's see, guys. I believe Doge, they were saying that Doge will go to $1. So let's see and monitor the price. Shiba, it looks like also to develop a cap and handle too. So let's see. Guys, if you want to follow my trades here on TradingView, I put the link below. So these are my Dogecoin, Shiba, mostly Shiba right now. Shiba, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're expecting the price would be on the all-time high. And we had a triangle here, A, B, C, D, E, and we had a pop up, and now it's currently forming a bullish flag or descending channels. So our target would be the all-time high, which is somewhere here at let's say 5, I guess. 0.0005, the all-time high, somewhere there, guys. 0.0005, if you know what I mean. Guys, if you want to follow my trades here on TradingView, I posted this one, guys, since July 25th. Shiba Inu broke the descending channel. Guys, I've been holding Shiba since July. It pop up, guys, just like magic, guys. This is my previous name, Trading Like Magic, but I changed it to Naked Crypto because I found Trading Like Magic is too long. But anyway, guys, on the October 2, Shiba might develop a cap and handle. I was expecting a cap and handle here, and ta-da! Just like magic, guys. Just like magic. So now we're here now. We have this descending channel or flag formation. Let's say descending channel. And this is the similar chart that I can find. We have this supposed to be cap and handle, but it didn't anymore. It's just pop up. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Will it break to the triangle? So we have this bullish flag here and it pop up. So yeah, guys. It made another descending channel here, so something to be careful, guys. So yeah, similar, guys. We have this bullish flag here. So our target for now, first target would be this 00003 somewhere here, guys. So this would be our safest target for now. So yeah, guys, just be careful, but just invest what you can afford to lose. This is just a presumption. I'm just sharing my idea. Please don't trade based on my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for entertainment and educational purposes only. So trade safe, guys. So that's it, guys. Who will win? Who will be the first one to go to the moon? Was it Shiba Inu or Dogecoin? Comment down below, and if you have cryptocurrency you want me to add, just comment down below. And if you find this video valuable, smash that like, share to your friends, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my daily updates. Trade safe. I love you. Bye bye.